Hey fellow gamers, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get to Narukami Island in Genshin Impact. To do so, you first need to launch your game via the Epic Games launcher. And once you're in-game, press M on your keyboard, which will bring up your map, and then zoom all the way out. And then scroll to your right, and then bottom until you see Narukami Island. Here it is, and click on any of the teleport waypoints right here, like so. And then on the bottom right side of your screen, click teleport, and then you'll be sent to Narukami Island. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Ace. Happy gaming!